Hey, what's going on, everybody? Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another installment, episode, whatever you want to call, with $1 Million in a Dream. So people wants to know how much I make off of YouTube. Well, I'll tell you guys at the end of this video, but I'm gonna go, let's go pick up some cars, so tune in. Got the YouTube video going, got the car full of people, man, riding in the back. About to go pick up some cars from the auction. Now they got me in the back. Got a lot full of cars, man. We got Lucky Wheels and Deals. Some of that dog food. About to go pick some cars up. Let y'all see what we got today.
Man. We bought a whole bunch of cars.
Yeah, we got like the other auctions. Like, you know how they come up with the van picking up the cars for the one auction? That's how we come. We're coming to pick these cars up. Filled a lot of
game, y'all.
Yes.
It's not a game.
Let's see how people make it.
Hey, that's the real footage.
Oh, yeah, that's the real
Whoever
footage.
makes it back first wins.
Oh, yeah.
Goddamn limit to be on the side of the road.
Yeah, you know, buying these cars like a gamble, like rolling the dice, man. You never know what you're going to get. You might get a good one, you might get a bad one. Might get one all right, you never know. We're about to go back here and see. Man, here at the auction, man. Oh, yeah.
Chill. Is there any way I can get y'all to move that where it's not in front of the vans? Those vans are about to leave right there.
Yeah, get that out the way. See what we got. It was hella sweet last time. And they already got card. Oh, arbitrated. They already got arbitrations over here. Arbitration.
Never be in this line.
Arbitration.
You gotta remember these ones.
Yeah, you gotta remember them. That's what you always look at. Look at the arbitration line, man. These are all arbitration. So next time they come to the auction, you don't even pay no attention to them. Yeah, all them arbitrations. When they come back through, you don't pay no attention. Ain't that your colors right here?
Huh?
Ain't this your Oldsmobile colors?
Yep.
Cut dog.
No time, niggas ready to spend It's right here, Jay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh no, it's right here with 64,000 miles. I know that's a lie.
This one? Yeah. This one? Jay,
I
whatever you got.
don't know. You look at the motor, it don't look like no 64,000 mile motor. I don't know.
64,000 on the motor, man.
I don't know. The alternator, the battery, and the power steering pump, man.
Hating on the alternator, man.
That's the only thing. The alternator, the power steering pump, and the battery, the only thing that look like is 64,000 miles. But hey, it says 64,000 miles.
Nah.
I don't know. Yeah, it got oil in there. You see how that look? You got cooling? What else we got on here?
I mean, shit, niggas said 64,000. It look like they got a new alternator, new battery.
I mean,
new fucking,
this line right there look like that line look like a 64,000. Look like a 64,000 mile.
This came from the line, 96.
There you go.
I mean,
The seats don't look like 64,000 miles though.
Oh man, had this motherfucker.
Look at the interior. That don't
Oh
look
man,
like.
had this
dog
motherfucker.
in there turning up shit.
Yeah, his dog probably had a dog in there.
Nah, they probably just
Oh
replaced the
man,
dash.
dog. He just fat, he get a new one.
Nah, they motherfucker probably just replaced the dash on.
What else we got? What else we picking up? Come on. Always check the fluids, you know, when you're picking up these cars. And, you know, check the oil, check the coolant, you know, start it up, check the transmission fluid. Always best to be safe. And it's getting hot out here. Let's see what else. Show y'all what else we got. So let's get to it. Love. We want nobody in the morning, man, but hey, you check and see if it got the extra rim in the trunk. It ain't got no damage on it, just need a good detail.
It broke my mirror. Now you need to go to the Savage try to get one.
Ain't
Fucking it up.
Ain't even started up and it falling apart.
Shit, they gotta go get one.
Got a good battery,
I
huh?
just started it up. It started right up.
You got all the gas.
I ain't check all that though. I ain't check the oil. I just started.
See? Down the road to the country with no oil in this shit.
That's just had to bring his own. Why do it outside of here, free?
Oh, man, let's see. Where's that Cavalier?
Alright, pretty look decent.
Something down there.
You can put a $2.99 Mako paint job on it, man, to bring it to life.
Oh, it's right there.
Then I'll be trying to get $2 grand off the brim, dude.
You can get $2 grand if you get a paint job. You paint it 64,000 miles. You gotta drive it to make sure it's actually ride and draw like a 64,000 mile.
It's got coolers right
Other
there.
rim in the
Got
trunk.
cool. Other rim in the trunk.
1,500 worth. Nah, it ain't got no.
You can fix it. It might just need some freon. Let's see.
Compressor ain't
Ooh.
like a compressor turn, but it's hard to turn.
Start up and sound like a Lincoln.
It's being hard to turn. The middle boy.
Yeah, because it ain't just freezing. You gotta put a little bit push a little bit of push though.
When you drive, you drive that.
Oh yeah. Got the Lincoln. Got a little damage on the fender. You can pop that out though. Nah, Urban bought that. I ain't bought that. I only got the Cavalier. I need to find my little Cavalier. Ain't that your Sunfire?
That's a sunflower right there.
So my Cavalier should be by the Sunfire.
That's right in front of it.
Maybe. You can make some good money off the Sunfire.
You know how to pop it up.
Get some hubcaps for it. Make it set it off.
Gotta be a good part because they got new tires on it.
Yeah, it's always gotta check the tires. The fender got a little damage, but we put some hubcaps on. Oh yeah, they already got it cleaned up. It's already, just make sure you check all the oil and stuff and throw some hubcaps on. It's good to sell the head cold early. Let's see if they shine the motor up. You know, if they sell you a oh yeah, they shine the motor up. They already selling you a bill of goods. You know, that's hit or miss.
What you about this motherfucker too?
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
That's probably just a vacuum.
Yeah, it's just a vacuum.
Yes.
But y'all could just went and got a piece of plastic. Y'all ain't have to do all that. They already shined the motor up though. Look at that.
Get off.
I can just go to my head. That might have to go get pictures fluid.
Yeah, it's got oil.
Get off.
Go. Oh yeah, it's already ready to go. I go take it and get a $24 oil change. It's good to go. I need to find my Cavalier. Why don't you just buy it?
Yeah, no, I've been procrastinating. But
You keep procrastinating, you keep hopping in these trucks. No, you want one.
Buy this and he don't even got a house.
That could be his new house. He can throw a little he can throw a tunnel cover on the back of it and be living in there.
Damn, that lead right here look too good.
The Volvo.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that Volvo look hella clean. What's wrong with it?
That's what I'm saying.
Got a little hail damage dings on it. That's about it. Sound like it got a little mist on it. But where's my Cavalier at though? That's what I'm looking for. Where's my Cavalier? Yeah, it's got a little mist to it, but besides that, it's clean. What? Check engine light on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it look like it's got a little mist to it. Probably just needs some new spark plugs. Got the air though. Liberty 2. Loving it.
Yeah.
I still can't find my Cavalier though. Yeah, check and see if we got some fluid in there. Don't look like you got no coolant in there though. The cooling thing look bare. Bone. That ain't, you never know. It might be some of them. As long as they didn't run hot, you be alright. We go try to find this Cavalier though. Interior ain't the best. Need to go.
Hey,
Keep procrastinating, man.
I
That's
just want to go to Texas, man, so I can go and get me one. No, I'm talking about
around. Found the little Cavalier that I ended up getting. Look at that. It's already cleaned up and ready, though. Clean. Cleaned up. Pop the hood. Good tires all around. Oh, pop the hood. Oh yeah, they done shine my engine bay up. Oh man. Whew. Hot. Got my engine bay shined up. They got green cooling in there, which it should be. And they shined them up though. Where the oil stick at? That's the oil.
Motherfucker, I already can't clean on this side. No, you finna hear a post.
What?
Clean,
Oh.
green.
that nigga ain't clean.
Oh, yeah. You got that too, didn't you? You got AC? You might get that
Oil low, so we ain't about to mess with this one right now. I'm about to go grab some oil, cause
What? Them 2 quarters at the lot?
yeah, cause I don't know, it's
Yeah, you need some oil, yeah.
so yeah, it needs some oil. Yeah,
it's
so
2 quarters at the lot by the door.
yeah, we go grab some quarts of oil and then, or at least a quarter, go a quart. Then after we do, take it to go get a fresh oil change, you know, but then it'll be ready to go.
You know, got them oil pans, aluminum.
Yeah.
Open that motherfucker ain't ran off the curb.
I gotta go get some oil for that,
Man, look at that, got a leaking oil somewhere. That's never good. That's why I didn't have any oil in there. It's a clean car, man.
Yeah, start it up, see how fast it's running now.
Yeah.
Only thing I can say that to you is that you put that motherfucker on the rack, might be.
You said what? What it might be?
Might be something that jumped off a curb. You know the oil pan is aluminum. Maybe
Yeah.
somebody jumped off a curb and
Bent.
might put a crack in it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Big crack in it.
Oh man. Definitely gotta get my grass cut. My yard man's procrastinating. Man, as y'all see, man, lots is full up. Gotta definitely move that car. Gotta get these cars in line. Nice Volvo picked up. You know, Nissan Pathfinder. Gotta get that box truck moved because that's taking about 3 or 4 spaces. Impala, let that sunroof down. Y'all see the Monte Carlo. Gotta take it to the body man, see if he can straighten up that hood and paint it, get another headlight, you know. But as y'all see, lot full, you know. Might as well just park there right there. Might as well park there, raise the window up and park it right there. We'll have to rearrange this stuff tomorrow or something. It's a lot full. Gotta move that van, just sold that. You know, sold that, so I have to get that moved. Yeah, y'all see? Full lot. Then I still gotta park this red Escort here in the back. You know? And y'all see it? Full lot. It's not a bad thing, it's a good thing. So back here at the office, let you guys know. I mean, for people who want to start this YouTube stuff, it's gonna be a long grind. So don't expect that you're gonna get in there and just make money off the back. I mean, maybe you might, you know, maybe your channel might be more interesting than the next person's channel, so it might end up getting a lot of views, and your videos might go viral. My stuff, I feel like it's on a slow grind mode. So, but I'm gonna tell you guys honestly right now, I haven't made any money off of YouTube. So, and I've posted probably, I got like 100 videos posted, but I don't let that discourage me or anything like that, because man, I like giving out advice just for, you know, just giving out advice. People do YouTube, you know, because they want to make a lot of money or whatever their reason is. Me, I'm just dropping these videos because I have a lot of knowledge, a lot of stuff that I just think about. So I was like, you know, I might as well release it and share this information with people. And I know eventually my channel is going to keep growing, and eventually I'll start getting paid for YouTube. But right now, I haven't made $1 from YouTube. I'll show you guys right here on my phone. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this shows my watch time, my views, and your estimated estimated revenue over the last month is $0.00. So if you can see that, it's $0.00. It is, like I said, it is what it is. So, but I haven't got monetized yet. Once it cause YouTube's algorithm is crazy, it's like different. So it basically, and then they changed the ruling now. So it's like you have to have over 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers, and you have to have so much watch time. So I have the subscribers. I got that box checked. Right now, I'm just trying to get my watch time up. Like I said, my videos probably are not the most entertaining to everybody. So people don't. So it's just like that. But it doesn't bother me. But that's why I came up with the Patreon. You know, because it's $5 a month, and then it's $5. It's $5 to sign up, and then it's $5 a month. That gives me a little bit of income. I only have a couple people signed up, so it's only like an additional, you know, like 40, 30, 40, 50, 40, about $40 or something a month. Not the biggest deal. I don't worry about YouTube making me any money right now. When it does, it does. But right now, it doesn't bother me. It doesn't affect anything that I do. I make my money selling cars and doing other stuff, you know, my little side hustles and stuff like that, you know. YouTube is basically, I could say YouTube is basically a side hustle for right now. It's a side hustle that's not making any money, but it's the side hustle that's going to potentially make any money. So if you want to get into YouTube stuff, I say if you're going to get started your channel, just keep posting as much as you possible. I post Monday through Friday. Some people post every day. Some people post 2 or 3 times a day. But for me, Monday through Friday is enough for me. So you guys, if you want to start your channel, man, I say start it. Just keep dropping videos. You know, maybe your videos might catch fire, and you know, might be doing better than my videos, and it might be doing better than the next. You know, but you have to stick with it. Don't never let it discourage you, because I started maybe 3 months ago, and at first I was dropping videos every day. Then I just started to do it Monday through Friday. But don't let it discourage you, because it hasn't discouraged me. It's gonna slowly build, and you know, that's gonna be what keeps you going. Because I remember I started, channel really didn't have nothing. Got on the video with Lucky, gave me a shout out, boom, jumped up to 200 subscribers. I kept dropping videos after videos. Then I hit 400 subscribers. Then I was in another video with Lucky, he gave me another shout out. Now I was at like 600 subscribers, boom. Then I just kept dropping videos. I cracked 1,000. Now I'm over 1,000, and it's right now 1,300. Just keep going from there. But YouTube stuff is a slow grind, so I say just stick with it, and it'll eventually work out for you. Peace.